Like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Shop Bus TV Production.
Ladies
Jamaican
and
people,
gentlemen,
please
boys and
open
girls,
your
for you
eyes.
guys, you know, so I try to tap a style. And tonight, I want to share a video with you. Today, I want to share a video. This morning, I want to share a video with you. Because sometimes you want people, them not going to listen to what you're saying. But I want to share the video with especially Jamaica and the Caribbean island. Mostly Africa and them place there, where the Chinese government are take over. I want to share a video today directly showing you the impact of owing Chinese people at debt. In a Jamaica, them say you know for owe a man. Because that a terror in your life. You will go through whole heap of things if you own a man. See? But owing a Chinese man is worse than owing a man. Me tell you something. You see in that video, we go play an audio. And the audio they go explain everything why you see this happening in America.
The heroin disappear, basically overnight, and fentanyl was put on the streets. Us addicts didn't know what this fentanyl was. Pharmaceutical fentanyl is only three ways of it: is the lollipop, the patch, and IV drip. Fentanyl that was put on the streets was coming from China. When Obama was president, he basically told China, we're not paying you back the trillions of dollars we owe you. China went out and blocked all the heroin coming into this country, put fentanyl out here that has no shelf life. So you're back at the dope dealer every couple hours, and it's so strong that it was just killing people left and right. So they're getting their money back, and they're mowing down Americans at the same time. Nobody sees that. No, nobody except us addicts. I watched the heroin disappear.
Right? Me tell you something. How many way to hang a dog without put rope around him neck? And my granny grew me. And everybody go fight with gun. You have a thing when them velvet gloves. And that the Chinese them fight with. And when them hand lick against iron, you can't hear them. And them a come here with them sword. See? We want to rule with iron fist. Them that all type of government. China was one of the poorest country like 75 years ago. And right now them a lead the world. Because guess what? Them know human psychology, them study human behavior. Them know everybody weak spot. You see the Bruce Lee movie where them put out? I have to show the world something, you know. I don't never understand what them are showing now, Bruce Lee movie. You see the Bruce Lee movie, every time Bruce Lee get a lick, him laugh. You know why him laugh? I saw Chinese people stay. Then laugh and hide them weakness. Then laugh when them a feel pain. Them cry. When them a cry, them still a laugh. Because you know why? Them not play the game for the short run, you know. They don't mind losing 2 battles, you know. Because them know so them are going to win the war. Them know them are going to win the war, so them don't mind if they lose 2 battles. See? Them play this thing like how you play it. What they call now? Draw fired. You give a person 1 take. And when you take 1 take and feel like it's good, you take all a 4 take from him. See? So I'm going to show now what happened to Kensington, Pennsylvania. Because this video where you look on is in Kensington, Pennsylvania Avenue. See? In America. And this is a direct effect, allegedly, from China. Because America owe them certain amount of debt and tell them, so yo, we not pay on the back. Look for a little bit of Jamaica now, which is just a dot on the map. See? Now for we I wonder why the youth them take some Mali. Where Mali I come from? Mali no make a Jamaica. You know? Whenever I study say Mali no make a Jamaica, when did Mali start coming in Jamaica? And I see the Chinese them start pack up a Jamaica. You know see them full up America, one thing when they fentanyl and heroin gone out of style, crack gone out of style, all of them things they gone out of style. So allegedly they must say, anywhere the Chinese then go, when they want to take over, what you think they do? They put your whole nation on drugs. And who you think I supply them? They must supply them. So they must get all the money out of your system one time. While your people they must suffer. See? I wonder if you don't understand what I want to know about. Is this like when Noah Billy can tell people, you know? You think say you too good for them thing happen to you? Them people who not look on the sidewalk, you know. Them people used to own buildings and houses, you know. Them people have PhD, you know. None of them people have some diploma where you can't even talk about. None of them used to be scientists. None of them used to be surgeon, lawyer, doctor, everything we have to name, firefighter, you know. And them still defeated, you know, because of the weakness of drugs, you know. See? Because not everybody can stand pressure, you know. And you have certain drugs where are gateway drugs, you know. So you see the Mali what them take are the gateway drugs. You see the next thing what them are going to eat them with at Jamaica is the fentanyl. And the fentanyl is something we can't go up on fridge. So as you use it, you have to go buy a new one. And see too, sometimes man not have money, man I go feel like he can't store it. And to go kill them off. I want you know. So who no want to take in cause me I tell them so who no government now go tell them something. You know. Because I don't know if them know it and I hide it, or them just dumb to go on. Because I don't know how the Minister of Health don't take a trip and go to Kensington, Pennsylvania. Do a research and see why this happened to great America. So it cannot happen to you. You don't think so you don't have enough facility to combat this? You don't see miles and miles of people, millions of people, you know. But them not going to show you this on the TV. So me I show you this for the smart.